Okay, here's real quick how to use the sticky putty to help you solder. So here's some headers, sticking them in there. You take a little bit of this and oop, just make sure you got it in there right. Yep, good. And I should have tinned this. Hello, kitty. So in the process of this, that putty will be getting hot, so you get to see what the stringy stuff looks like. So this is gonna be all stringy now. See, and then you just take this larger, cooler chunk, put it on there, and it all comes off. All good.